Okay, first what we're going to do is we're going to cleanse the face by removing the eye and lip makeup. We're going to be doing that by using an eye makeup remover. We'll put it right on top of the eye area in patches. What it does is this one, it gently exfoliates and effectively removes the eye and lip makeup. Also, it encourages the skin to act young and to remove the dead skin cell. Next, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using an acidic base cleanser with light exfoliating properties. So we're going to massage this on the face of the client in an upward motion, making sure that all the product are evenly spread out on the skin. I am removing the cleansing gel using a gauze. The gauze helps to exfoliate the skin. The next one is to use a conditioner. What it does is it helps to accelerate skin rejuvenation. So again, by using a disposable gauze, you put the product into the gauze and you apply on the skin one time per area. And also do not forget to, in skin preparation is what you call exfoliation. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a non-irritating, non-abrasive exfoliator. So I will whisk the product until it becomes milky white. So I will whisk the product until it becomes milky white. Next is we're going to check the skin for comedones or blackheads and whiteheads, and then we're going to try to remove it. Could be using an extractor or manually. Next, we're going to be applying a purifying mask on the face. After extraction, it will help to soothe the skin and calms it down. It also has tea tree oil that helps to eliminate the acne and the pimples that we have. Next, we're going to be applying a purifying mask on the face. After extraction, it will help to soothe the skin and calms it down. It also has tea tree oil that helps to eliminate the acne and the pimples that we have. We are now on the final step. We're going to be moisturizing the face, and then we're going to put an SPF, a sunblock, and then the moisture mist, and then we're done.